the 24th of January 2024, 1:24:24. At 1 something a.m. Just stopped snowing. I just wanted to see if anything was going on in here. It has been a while since I have seen a blizzard. That night I was making the burgers. This place was nuts. Hasn't really been, I mean, I've had activities where there's a lot of orbs, but not like that. I wonder why it slowed down. Is it me? Is it the shift? Sometimes you go through a shift and it's just lightning and wonderful and joyous, and other times your body processes it sad and depressing until it picks back up again. That looked like snow coming down from that wall. There we go. It's like it's snowing in here. Hello. Thank you. I was sad without you. Thank you for showing up. Oh my God, that means the world to me. Thank you. Thank you. I miss my friends, my light beings. Where are they coming from? I said it's been a while. And here they are. Thank you. They're moving slowly. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, I was so sad. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Oh, that was beautiful. See that white? Thank you. Pure white. Thank you. It started going from that wall, maybe? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, pink. Thank you so much. Oh my God, it just changes my whole day. Just missing some loved ones who have passed. And Jessie, of course, my sister Linda. Steve, who died too suddenly. All died suddenly. Maybe I can make a bird or a butterfly before I go. Thank you for showing up. I had a headache. It's going away now. Oh. Thank you so much. So earlier I was sad and there was none in here. And they just came flooding in. I am honored. That is a miracle to me. Thank you. Colors changing, see? I am honored and humbled, filled with gratitude. Can't wait to share this with everyone. Thank you. I'm going to leave this up for a minute while I make my hot dog. Just amazing. Thank you. Thank you. All white. I saw one pink. Thank you so much. Don't touch that string, but I know they're there. Thank you. That changes my whole world. You got it. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. It changes my whole world. Thank you. I will be posting this. Peace, love, and light to all living things everywhere. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time. Thank you for your comments, and thank you for subscribing. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your tomorrow. Be kind. It matters. I'll be back to film more of this in a bit. Peace.